are you following up with your list? Now, one big mistake I was making is when I first get started, I was too busy. So even though I spent lots of money to build my list, I never follow up with them. I was like, yeah, maybe tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. So once I get some opportunities, I can promote some product. Guess what? They don't know me. So even though I send lots of emails, they will reply, like, hey, stop sending me those mails, right? You spammer, right? So I feel frustrated and they feel angry sometimes as well. So I was like, hey, what can I do? So I try to learn more about email marketing, and I realized marketing is all about relationship. So in order for you to make your email marketing work or make any kind of marketing work, following up is really important. So in this video, I want to share with you 5 tips you can use to follow up with them efficiently, right? So the first one is you want to follow up with your audience frequently, right? So ideally, 1 email per day. But if you're too busy, at least 2 emails per week. And that'll be really powerful, because if they don't know you, if they don't remember you, your promotional email will be useless. It will be not effective, right? So another one is you want to build relationship first. So marketing is all about relationship. So it's about build a friendship with your audience before promoting anything. So if they can trust you, if they can like you, guess what? They will buy whatever you recommend, right? So that's really powerful, right? So one mistake I was making when I first get started is when I built a list, I never build relationship. I said, yeah, they should be too logical to understand the offer is amazing. So I send in so much promotional mails. Guess what? They don't trust me. They don't want to buy from me. Even though the offer is so amazing, because they don't trust me, they thought it's a scam, right? So you want to build relationship first. Then you want to provide the value. So that's one way you can do to build relationship. You want to provide some educational and empowering content to them. So it can be articles, it can be videos, right? You want to provide some valuable content frequently so that they can trust you. Another one is you want to share your story. You want to let them know who you are. So one way is you can actually shoot some videos and you can show them as your story in the video. And that's one way for you to make them feel they know you, right? Another one is you want to be authentic. So you don't want to be like a guru. You don't want to rent a mansion or rent a car. I know there are many people doing that, but you don't have to be that. You want to show you're authentic. You want to be authentic to your audience so they can trust you. They say, wow, this guy is really trustworthy. And guess what? When they trust you, you can sell them anything. So that's 5 tips you can do to follow up with your audience. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you in the next video.